Today I'm going to go through some of the problems that you're going to see on IXL. The first one that I'm going to go through is on V1, which is the better coupon. And you're going to use the part percent whole method to figure these out, and I'm going to go through a couple to demonstrate how you do this. Okay, we talked about the part percent whole method yesterday, and so you should have a little bit of an understanding of what that is. If you don't, then this will be a good review. Okay, so I'm going to write part whole equals percent over 100. Okay, so you're going to use the coupon here, and you're going to figure out how much money you would get off of using this coupon. It says the original price of a wooden stool is $14. Which coupon is the better deal? Okay, so if you saved 50% on this item, or if you got $5 off, which one would get you more money off? So we're going to use the part percent whole method. Okay, the P stands for part, percentage sign obviously stands for percentage, and the W stands for whole. Okay, the 100 is written under the percent because percent actually means per 100. Okay, so if we plug in 50% into the percent part over 100 equals the part, well, you got to ask yourself, is 14, is our answer to this, to 50%, if we take 50% off of 14, are we going to have an answer that's smaller or bigger than 14? Well, our answer is going to be smaller, so 14 is the whole, not just part of it, it's the whole, and we're going to solve for x. 100 times x is 100x, and 14 times 50, if you don't know what that is, you can do that on the side. That's 700. And we divide, cross multiply and divide to solve the proportion. And we get 700 divided by 100, we get 7. Okay, so we're going to put 7, or this one, sorry, excuse me, this is $7 off, and this is $5 off. So this coupon is better. So you're going to click on that coupon. Sorry. And you choose that one. That messed up. That's okay. $7 would have been best. So we're going to try this next one as well. Pick the one with the percentage. This says the original price of the chandelier is $65. Which coupon is a better deal? $30 off or save 40%. Okay, we're going to use the percent because this is already in dollars. So you take part whole equals percent over 100. Okay, move that over a little bit. The percentage is 40 over 100, and you actually don't need to write the percentage sign, equals $65. That's the original price of the chandelier. We want to know how much you're going to get off for 40%. So 65, our answer has to be less than 65. So 65 is the whole amount, and the part is what we're trying to figure out. Cross multiply and divide. 100 times x is 100x. And 65 times 40 is, I don't know what that is, I'm going to do that on the calculator. That's 2,600. And 2,600 divided by 100. If you don't know what that is, divide it by 100, and you'll get $26. So this is $26 off, and that's $30 off. So which one is cheap, or which one's the better deal? This coupon. So you're going to click on that coupon, and you're going to submit that. and that gives you the right answer. So that's two examples on how to do that problem. Okay. You're going to go to the second one today that you're going to do is V7, and this is just like what we were doing. You're going to use part percent whole again. So Stephen buys a soup pot priced at $64. Shipping and handling are an additional 30% of the price. How much shipping and handling will Stephen pay? So part percent whole method, okay? Do we have a percent? That's 30%, okay? 30 over 100. Is the shipping and handling going to be more than $64 or less than $64? Well, it's going to be less than, so 64 is the whole. Cross multiply and divide. 100 times x is 100x equals 64 times 30. 64 times 30, use your calculator for that. 1,920. Let's check that. Yep, that's correct. Double check if you're not sure. Okay, and then you divide, cross multiply and divide. So x equals 1,920 divided by 100 is $19.20. If you don't know that for sure, 100, you just move the decimal 2 to the left. But if you don't know that, you just divide by 100. 19.2 or $19.20. Put that answer in, and you will get the correct answer, okay? So these are the same. The one thing that you have to notice on these is when you read the problem, okay, it's going to talk about tax, it's going to talk about tip, it's going to talk about marking stuff up, and it's going to talk about discounts. Okay, it might even talk about commission. Those are words that you're going to need to know, okay? Commission is how much you get paid to do something. Tax is the tax on the item, makes the price go up. The tip makes the price go up. Discount makes the price go down. If you mark something up, makes the price go up. Okay, so those are the things that you're going to have to know. Okay? All right, let's go to the last one that you're going to do. Okay? And this is going to be important as we move forward. Okay? Unit prices, it's just like unit rates. Okay? So you're going to have to determine the unit price for each of these. Okay? Well, the first thing you do is determine the rate. Okay? They want it in dollars per marble, so the answer is going to be in dollars, which means $1.14 is going to be on top of the rate, okay, per 6, because it's a 6-pack, per 6-pack of marbles, okay? So a 6-pack of marbles costs $1.14. What is the unit price? $1.14 per 6 marbles, okay? And then you divide that. So you'll take $1.14 divided by 6, gives you 19 cents per 1 marble, or 19 cents per marble. So you'll type in 0.19. Okay, as you get further down on these problems, on the unit prices, okay, you're gonna have to go all the way to 100 here. And it's gonna ask you what's the better price. Well, you're gonna have to do the rate and the unit price for both of them to determine which one's cheaper. Okay, and that'll make sense when you get there. these are the IXLs that you're going to be doing for today. Make sure that you take notes and do your work for problems that you can look back on and be able to review those notes. Okay, if you have any questions, make sure that you ask a partner, okay, or ask me, or ask somebody else, okay? But make sure your questions get answered, okay? For this one though, make sure that you write the rate and the unit rate for each one, especially when you get to the end when you're comparing which one's cheaper, okay? Whatever one has the cheaper unit price, okay, that's the answer that they're gonna want, or depending on what it asks, but the unit price is going to help you a lot.